It is 6:25. 6:25, and we're ready to go. Are we?
Yeah, we're ready.
David woke me up at 5 or something. Me and Mappy!
This is our hiking gear. Yeah, today is winter solstice. Today has a shortest day.
Yeah, shortest day, and
Have
we're
to.
gonna go for the hike. Wow, look at the sky. 7 something in the car, ready to go. Hike. Right?
Yep, hi.
I should do this, so it's so far away. This is like a milk advertise. Buy this milk, they give you all the day vitamin D supply.
There, National Park, 35 miles. El Paso, 145. Next service are 130 miles.
130 miles?
Yeah, next service.
We're heading to the west.
We are heading to Mount Guadalupe.
Guadalupe? That's how you pronounce it?
Guadalupe. I think it's Spanish. I've heard that in Spanish before, but I don't know.
I think it's Spanish. Oh, I just love mornings. Morning, honey.
Morning, hon.
You just had your brekkie.
Yeah.
Do you love your waffles?
I love my waffles.
And look, the sky is so beautiful with my hubby in it. I'm so excited. I don't know why, because the coffee. I just had a coffee, but it's not good coffee, but it's still coffee. Oh, I'm so excited.
Sunrise will be 6:54. So still 6 minutes until sunrise. Today the daytime will be 10 hours. It's the shortest day of the year.
Shortest day of the year.
Yesterday we drove 7 hours. Is it worth it?
Yes,
Is it
because I just saw the mountains. Those mountains are so pretty. David wants to put this on file that we drove for 7 hours for those pretty views, and it's pretty worth it. It's amazing. I'm gonna cry. I'm so emotional this morning. I don't know why. It's a hormone. I'm just gonna let you guys see the mountains. See?
Are you too old for this?
I'm not too old for this shit, but I'm too old for the traveling. But if we don't travel, look! Oh my god, that's so pretty!
The sun should be rising in 1 minute. Okay. Now the sun should be officially
But
rising.
it's gonna come up from that side.
Yeah. It's very quick. You can literally see how the sun gets over the horizon.
I have to say that I'm not officially old for this shit yet, but the travel was killing me. But the waking up was a little bit iffy as well. But this is so pretty. Oh,
You
thank
slept
so
like 7.5
much.
hours last night, or 8 hours.
I did. Oh, I saw the clouds and the hue from the sunrise. Oh, I just love mornings. I love mornings and nights. I don't like
Maybe
afternoons.
we'll go up there. I think that's the highest point. I don't know. Looks pretty high.
That one over there?
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh my god, this is a view. Look at the view. View. Look at the view. I'm so glad. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, so happy, so happy, so happy that I don't want to stop recording. I am so happy. I'm so happy, so happy. Mwah. Oh. We wish you were here. To all the friends and the family, we wish you were here. It's so pretty. want to come back.
The key is you set out before the sunrise.
Yeah.
Then you get back hotel shortly after sunset.
And you drag me on the road for 7 hours and listening to my shit, and then I'll be like this the next day.
Welcome to Texas.
Texas again.
Texas.
I see you, Texas.
Drive friendly Texas way.
Really?
Yep. This fine print.
That's cute.
El Paso 129 miles. Oh, the speed limit is higher.
Yes, it's in Texas. I think we're going to go on that top of the mountain.
Yeah. Rest area 10 miles.
Oh, so pretty. I just don't want to stop recording. I want all those things to be in my memory self and my experiencing self exploding. I love my experiencing self right now. I'm gonna grow up. Oh, this is just amazing. Guys. It's because the sound is right, the light is right. Oh! David 说这种地方来多了，怎么能够不热爱生活 That's the visit center. We're gonna go in there and maybe this turn here, yeah, to get some information. It is small. Visit center, campground, trailhead. Okay. Oh, there's a sign here. You can park here.
That works.
Yeah, let's quickly take a picture.
这是正面角，这是正面角。
We're here. Guadalupe Mountains National Park.
Cactus. That's the mountain.
We're at Guadalupe Mountains, and we're about to go on a hike. The view is
trailhead.
Trailhead. The view is so different in the desert. There is a literally cactus in front of us. I'm gonna show you guys, and it's super windy.
Super windy.
Super duper windy.
Super duper windy.
Show you. That's the cactus. Isn't that cute? It's 7:30 and the visit center is not open yet. About to start my hike. Be aware of mountain lions. Sunrise is 6:55 a.m. Mountain time. Sunset is 4:58. We have to go. We don't have time.
Yep. It's
And the-
10 hours.
Yeah, the weather forecast is here in case I want to read it in the future. We're gonna register us. Group size 2. Hiker's destination. Peak?
The peak. Guadalupe Peak. Okay, put the pen back. Alright.
We're gonna hike this one. Guadalupe Peak, 8.4 miles round trip, 6 to 8 hours, elevation gain 2,930 feet. Hopefully we can come back at 5:30. Starting time 9:03. We're gonna go that way.
How do you feel so far? Tired? Okay. Too heavy for you? Too heavy for you? Oh, vertical up.
Oh yeah.
Come Come on, you can do it.
Yes, I can. Now look at the view. So pretty. Okay, I did it. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh my god, this is such nice view.
And
this is the view. It's so pretty. And that was the way up. And this is the cliff that we're gonna go on. And it's my hubby. Hubby.
it's vertical up, vertical down.
I can do this. I'm training. I'm gonna do this.
Yep.
Yes. It's so pretty. We can do this.
This is getting a little bit difficult. There's snow, some snow and ice on the ground. But we are halfway through the elevation. That's a plus sign. Are you alright? Say hi to everybody. Okay.
Hi everybody.
By everybody, probably it's right now 10:30. I don't know. And we're on the shady side of the mountain. And it's not as bright. And it's less windy as well. That's our way. There's another trail on the other side. Okay, I think we are out of the woods. So probably this is the 2/3 of the way. Near the peak, that's the visit center. How are you doing so far? Tired. Yep, you can make it. Yes, yes.
It's pretty steep.
It is.
And it's heavy. The backpack is heavy. I did that intentionally. And I don't feel like I want to eat. I just want to get on the top so I can ease my mind.
Sure.
That's how I feel. And I didn't anticipate the wind situation.
We're not so experienced after all.
Next time. We're at 2,500 feet
Elevation.
elevation. And we have 500 to go. And I think we're still pretty far away.
No,
Top. But I can do this.
take a breath.
I'm gonna do this. How do you feel?
So far so good.
Okay. Great. Love you.
I think we are 2 hours 20 minutes from this trailhead for the record. Wave, honey! That's our way up. I think we're ahead of schedule. Because I planned 4 hours up, 4 hours down. That's 8 hours.
We're not up yet.
I think we can almost see the top. Always lean against the rock side, yep.
I thought that was a peak. That's not it. I thought this is a peak.
That's the one.
Really?
Yeah. Ever.
Is there gonna be another one?
No, that's a peak. Want to go back? Okay. Alright, sound meeting. That's the highest point. You are so close. You made it. That's the highest point. Happy? Now it's my turn. It's my turn now. I hold the camera. Last 20. I feel stupid.
Come up, I'm waiting for you.
I'm holding a camera.
Best feeling in the world.
Hi.
We made it.
We made
The
it.
best feeling in the world. We made it.
See the tip. I cannot see the screen.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
Ow! Ow!
be careful. No. Take a break first.
We made it. At 12:30, we took like we're very windy up here, but we made it. It's very, very windy. I don't think you guys can hear me at all. This is it. Oh yay! This is my hobby. Hobbies up. I'm at the top. Yes, I'm at the top. I'm so happy I'm at the top. I'm at the top. And I don't want to stand up. The wind is gonna knock me over. But I'm at the top. Yay! Hub, you look pretty cute.
Thanks. Did you cry?
No,
You did not?
I got grumpy though.
How grumpy were you?
Oh, lot more grumpy because of the wind. It's so scary.
Okay, the change will be on the way down. What are you doing?
We're not only on top of the mountain, we're gonna sign the book. How long did we hike? We started out at 9 at 12.
3 hours and 30 minutes in total, including the
Breaks.
I think we took like in total 30 minutes break on the way up here.
Okay.
Just
One bottle of water or two?
One bottle.
Half bottle of water.
Yep, on the top it's like 50 Fahrenheit, 50 something.
Yeah, and what else? Oh, we snacked. I had an apple and we made our own trail mix.
Yeah, we had cashews, sunflower seeds, pretzels,
Yeah.
honey mustard.
Didn't have cake. I really like the cactus there on the cliff. I think so. It's a different kind of cactus. That's so pretty. I fail. That's what I did. But I think I'm okay.
Can you do it again?
No, I don't want to.
I'll do slow-mo for you.
No. Okay, let's go. It's getting slippery.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
So
we
walk
should-
slowly. I think this is the hardest part.
It is. I'm fine. Let's keep going.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye. Is my clothes fine?
Yeah,
It's a little bit dirty, but it's fine, right?
it's fine.
Made it! Look at my hair. That's so weird. Well, we made the trip, right?
Yeah.
And that was the trailhead over there. And we made all the way to that mountain, and then over
see the
that
top of
mountain,
it? That's
over
only
that mountain, and the other mountain. But thing is that high five, honey.
Water?
No, I'm fine. I don't need water.
Where's the trouble?
Okay, we have like 30 minutes drive home, and I'm going to a restaurant first.
Okay, you're gonna do a driving today.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Me driving. See?
It's locked.
Auto lock. This way?
Yep, left.
Left?
Yep, yep. Okay, how's it?
Great.
You see a deer in the
Yeah.
front.
No. Yeah.
Yep, I see it. I think I got it.
Did you
Yep.
got it on the phone?
I think I got it.
Might still be
Yeah.
able to see it.
Slow.
I'm slow. I'm going slow.
Yep.
I saw that.
Two. Yep, there are two. Yep, I think I get it.
You can zoom in, you know?
Yeah, yep. Stop. Okay, it's looking at us right now.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, I saw it. You can
Yeah.
zoom in, can you?
Yes, all the way in now.
Okay. Should we go? I don't think it's
Sure.
gonna come to us.
No.
Oh, it's still looking at us. Oh no, it's
Okay,
looking
there,
at
maybe.
Yeah.
Alright,
I saw
yeah,
them,
it's a
yeah.
mama and a baby.
It's so cute.
Okay, right now we are on our way home. It's gonna be a 30 minutes drive. And Addison will do the driving this time. See you!
Bye. Go past me. Pass me. Everybody pass me. Pass me. Mile 3. Go